If you're planning your wedding for 2023 or for your closed ones, you're in for a treat. There are so many jaw-dropping wedding trends that are set to be huge next year. From unique color palettes to fresh new ideas for ceremonies and reception, we have got you covered. In today's video, we bring you the most incredible wedding trends for 2023. 2023 wedding trends to look out for. Bold color schemes. One of the biggest trends for 2023 is bold and unique color palettes. Say goodbye to the whites and pastel shades. More and more couples are opting for daring and unforgettable color schemes that reflect their personalities. Don't be afraid to experiment with some out-of-the-blue color scheme. And remember, it's your wedding, so anything goes. Ceremony backdrops. Another big trend we are seeing for 2023 is creative ceremony backdrops. Couples are thinking outside the box when it comes to their ceremony decor. From hanging greenery to statement arches, there are so many ways to make your ceremony space unique. This will also help to make your wedding photography even more breathtaking. So this new wedding season, ditch the LED screens and go full throttle on creativity with unique backdrops that define you and your partner's personalities. Candid photography. Just like most things in the wedding world, photography styles are heavily influenced by trends. Back in the birth age of Pinterest, everyone was loving the look of sepia-toned photos and unconventional angles. But the latest era of wedding photography is all about candids and natural lights, typically described as editorial or documentary photography. This style ditches poses and focuses on imperfections. Couples are no longer concerned about everything looking perfect and are more focusing on having their photographers capture the day with minimal direction or interruptions. Paperless invites. We are finally at a place where it isn't rude to not send a fancy paper invite. And thank goodness for that. In fact, these days, most guests prefer the convenience of an easily searchable digital wedding invite. In 2023, you will see most Indian weddings will have a website, nicely designed soft copy invites, and a WhatsApp group that has the invites to go out again a week before the wedding, just as a reminder for all the events. Reception entertainment. Your wedding reception should be a fun and festive celebration of your marriage. So it's important to choose the right entertainment. Gone are the days of hiring a band or a DJ. Now, couples are opting for more unique and interactive forms of entertainment. Everything from fire dancers to aerialists. You can also have your favorite cousins perform or curated songs to make the night a memory of lifetime. If you want your wedding to be truly memorable, think outside the box when it comes to entertainment. When planning your big fat Indian wedding, keep up with the trends but also traditions.